You are watching AI Made Simple, where we make technology, AI, and online tools easy to understand. So in today's tutorial, you will learn 10 secret Samsung features you didn't know existed. So this tutorial is mainly for the Samsung users. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and let's get started to it. So first thing you're going to do is to click on your setting. Then you're going to look for About Phone. Then you're going to look for About Phone. So this is About Phone. Then you're going to look for software information as well. Then when you get software information, you're going to look for your build number. So this is build number. So you're going to click on the build number 7 times. So let's get it started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's going to bring something like this. Allow development settings. These settings are intended for development use only. They can cause your device and the application needs to break or misbehave. So it depends on the Samsung you are using or the Android type of phone you are using. So you're going to click OK. Now you can see that development mode has been turned on. So this unlocks ID features like animation, speed, USB, debugging and more. So let's confirm maybe the developer option is actually on. So as you can see, this is the developer option. The next thing that I'll be showing you is how to make your phone feel much faster. Maybe your phone is slowing due to maybe there's no more space on your phone and you want your phone to feel much faster. So you can do this on the developer option. So how can you do this on developer option? You're going to click on the developer option and you're going to look for window animation scale. So you're going to look for window animation scale. You can only do this when your developer option is on. I hope you know that. So you're going to look for the window animation scale. So it's what I'm looking for. Okay, this window animation scale. So when you get there, you're going to click on it. So you're going to set all animation scales to 0.5x or you off it. So you either put it on this or you off it. So once you do that, it's going to make your phone feel much faster. The next secret features on your Samsung is how to protect your battery, how to extend your battery lifespan. So how can you actually do that? You go to your battery. Then when you get to your battery, you're going to go to battery protection. So as you can see, we have the basics and we have the maximum. So you have to make sure you have to put it in a limit charging to extend battery lifespan. So I'm going to advise you to put it in adaptive protection so that it's going to make the battery of your lifespan to extend. Because if you make sure, if you are plugging your phone and it reaches 100%, it's going to reduce the lifespan of your battery and it's going to make it weak. So this is how you can extend the life of your battery. Another secret features I will be showing you is one-handed mode. So just like you are getting tired and you don't want to use your 2 hands on your phone, how can you do that by just using 1 hand? So I want to show you how you can do that on the setting. So all you have to do is to go to your advanced features. So when you get to your advanced features, you're going to see the one-handed mode. So you're going to click on it. So you're going to turn it on. Then we're going to click on it again. As you can see, it has already shown us how you're going to do that. So how can you do that? I think I should do an example now. So after you have turned it on the setting, then I'm going to show you how you will do it now. So this is what you're going to do. So you're going to press in the middle button. Then you can see now this is one-handed mode. Then you can turn it to the left. So, and it is back to the normal mode. So that is how to put it in one-handed mode. Features which we all know very well is double tap to wake and sleep. So how can you do this again is to go to your advanced features. So you go to your motion and gestures. So you're going to see everything on the screen. Lift to wake, double tap to turn on to screen, double tap to turn on screen, which is mostly common. So these are all the ways you can use for your double tap to wait and see. Another powerful secret features you should know is your wireless power share. Do you know that you can use some Samsung to charge another phone? So how can you do that? But before you can do that, make sure your battery is fully charged. So how can you do that? What you can do is, and one more thing, if your model supports it, so it depends on the Samsung you are using. Like the Samsung I'm using now is Samsung S22 Ultra, Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So my model supported it. So what I want to do now is go to the battery. So after going to the battery, I'm going to go to wireless power sharing. So I'm going to turn this on now. So me turning this on shows that I can put a phone at the back of my phone now and it's going to charge immediately. I just wish there's a way I can show that to you guys. But immediately I put another phone on the back of my phone, it's going to charge it up. So that's the way you can do that by wireless power share. Like I said, it depends on the model of the Samsung you are using. Another secret features of your Samsung that you don't know. Do you know that you can extract text from your images just by clicking on the text, unlike most phones? So Samsung has different kind of features in which you can use it for in your daily basis. So let's do that now. You can go to your gallery and just look for, okay, let me use this as an example. So you can see what I'm saying now. You can see what I'm saying. So I can extract text from my images. Unlike most phones, does not have these features. Another secret features of Samsung user is that you can link your phone to your Windows. That is, you can link your phone to your laptop, to your TV. So how can you do that? All you have to do is go to your connected devices in your setting. So I'm going to click on connected devices. As you can see, a lot of things can be done. So you can see link to Windows. So if I turn this on now, I will be able to link my phone to a laptop, to a TV. So this is how you're going to click on the setup. So, but because I'm doing a screen recording, so that's why it shows this. So this just by clicking on this, you'll be able to link your phone to a window. Another secret Samsung features that you can use is the one I'm doing at the moment, which is screen recording. As you all know, screen recording is very important on the phone. You know that you can also be doing a screen recording and can still be talking and it's going to screen record it together with it. So Samsung can do that. All you have to do is just go to your screen recording, then you're going to click on it, like I see screen recording. So it's going to show 3 things like record with maybe a picture, a camera, record with a voice. Last and not the least secret features of Samsung users is screen lock and biometric. So I won't be able to click on that now because I will have to put in my password and so on. So what I'm just trying to let you know is that your password, your face, your fingerprints. So with your fingerprints, you can set 4 of your fingers or 3 of your fingers. I think it's almost 4 of your fingers as a fingerprint. So Samsung has the capacity to do that. And that is going to give your phone an adequate security. With these 10 secret Samsung features you didn't know existed, and that you have known now, I'm sure that you'll be able to do some skilled settings on your phone, especially if you're a Samsung user. You'll be able to do a lot of settings to keep your phone safe and to also know a lot of features on your own that you don't have to Google it or do a lot before you can even know it. So, like I said, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the notification button for another AI tech videos.